Good morning, Alex. This place looks so warm and nice today. Do you often eat breakfast here before work?
Good morning, Sophia. Yes, I come here many mornings because it is close to the office. The food is simple, fresh, and always ready on time.
I like that too. A small breakfast place feels more friendly than a big restaurant. The smell of bread and coffee makes me feel happy right away.
I know what you mean. The morning smells here are wonderful, and the music is soft. It helps me start the day in a calm way.
So, what is your favorite breakfast? I always want to know what people like to eat in the morning. Breakfast can say a lot about a person.
My favorite breakfast is eggs, toast, and a little fruit. I like food that is warm and filling, but not too heavy. It gives me energy for the first part of the day.
That sounds really good. I love pancakes with butter and a little honey. Or sometimes fresh fruit with yogurt. When I have more time, I enjoy a sweet breakfast.
Pancakes are great, especially on a slow morning. On workdays, I usually choose something faster. On weekends, I can sit longer and enjoy bigger meals.
I am a little like that too. On busy mornings, I often eat a sandwich or a banana. But on relaxed mornings, I want something pretty and delicious.
That makes sense. Breakfast changes with our schedule. When I know I have many meetings, I try to eat something strong and healthy.
Do you always drink coffee with breakfast? I see many people order coffee first, even before they look at the food menu. It feels like a morning rule.
Yes, I usually order black coffee. It wakes me up and helps me think clearly. If I feel tired, I drink a second cup later at the office.
I like coffee too, but I usually order a latte. It tastes softer, and the milk makes it feel more gentle. Sometimes I choose orange juice if I want something fresh.
A latte is a good choice. Orange juice is nice with eggs or toast too. Some mornings I also drink green tea when I want a lighter start.
Green tea in the morning sounds peaceful. I think drinks change the mood of breakfast a lot. Coffee feels active, but tea feels calm.
That is very true. Coffee makes me feel ready to move fast, and tea makes me slow down a little. It depends on what kind of day I expect.
What time do you usually eat breakfast? I try to eat before 8, but sometimes I am late. Then everything feels rushed.
I usually eat around 7:30. I wake up early, take a shower, and leave home with enough time. I do not like running into the office hungry.
I understand that. When I skip breakfast, I feel weak by 10 o'clock. My stomach gets noisy, and I cannot focus very well.
The same thing happens to me. If I miss breakfast, I become impatient and distracted. A good morning meal keeps my mind steady and my body strong.
Do you ever cook breakfast at home? I want to do it more often, but I am not always ready in the morning. Sometimes I just grab something and go.
Yes, I cook at home 3 or 4 times a week. I make eggs, oatmeal, or toast with avocado. They are easy meals, and they do not take too much time.
Oatmeal is healthy, but I do not eat it often. Maybe I should try it with banana and a little cinnamon. That sounds simple and nice.
You should try it. Oatmeal is warm, cheap, and easy to change with fruit or nuts. It is one of the best breakfasts when you want something light but useful.
I also like toast with jam. It reminds me of simple mornings at home. Sometimes the easiest food gives the most comfort.
I agree with that. Simple food can feel very special when it is fresh and made with care. A good piece of toast and hot coffee can be enough.
Do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? People say that a lot, but I wonder if everyone feels the same. What do you think?
For me, yes, it is very important. Breakfast helps me begin the day with energy and a better mood. It is not magic, but it really changes how I feel.
I think so too. When I eat well in the morning, I make better choices later. I snack less, and I feel more balanced through the day.
That is a good point. A real breakfast can stop us from eating junk food later. It also helps us stay focused at work and feel more organized.
I notice that on days when I eat only a cookie, I get hungry very fast. Then I want chips or something sweet before lunch. It is not a good habit.
Exactly. A small sweet snack is fine sometimes, but it does not last long. Protein, bread, fruit, or yogurt can keep you full longer.
My ideal breakfast would be pancakes, strawberries, and a hot latte. I would sit by the window and watch people walk by. That feels like a perfect morning to me.
That sounds lovely. My ideal breakfast would be scrambled eggs, toast, fruit, and strong coffee. I would read the news slowly and enjoy the quiet time.
I like that picture. Breakfast is not only about food, it is also about the feeling. A peaceful breakfast can make the whole day better.
You are right. Even 10 calm minutes can help a lot. It gives the day a better beginning, and that beginning often stays with us.
What are you ordering today? I think I will get pancakes and a latte because now I cannot stop thinking about them. This talk made me hungry.
I am going to order eggs, toast, and black coffee. I may add some fruit on the side too. Talking about breakfast always makes the menu look even better.
Next time, maybe I will try something different, like yogurt and fruit or oatmeal. It could be nice to have a healthier office morning. I want more energy and less sugar.
That sounds like a smart plan. You can still enjoy sweet foods sometimes, but balance is important. A good breakfast should make you feel happy and strong.
I really enjoyed this talk, Alex. It was simple, but I learned new breakfast ideas from you. Now I want to build a better morning routine.
I enjoyed it too, Sophia. Breakfast is a small part of the day, but it can make a big difference. Let's eat well this morning and have a great day at work.